OS Select and Build is a service on the OS Data Hub, which allows you to choose and download exactly the data you need from the OS National Geographic database. This video will show you how to filter by attributes and find archive data. These features are recommended for customers with advanced knowledge of OS data. Once you're logged in, you'll find OS Select and Build in the Downloads section of the OS Data Hub. Filtering by attribute allows you to refine your recipe to include a specific subset of features based on their attribute values. First, you'll need to select a feature type to filter. Click on the empty funnel icon next to the feature name, and the Advanced Filter Options panel will open from the right-hand side of the page. Here you can add a rule or a group of rules. Select a field from the drop-down and the logic you'd like to apply to it. In this case, we're filtering for all buildings that have an educational land use. If we apply the filter, our recipe will now ignore building parts that aren't related to education, and you'll see the funnel icon next to building parts is now solid black. You can also add a group of filters to apply more complex logic. For example, we can add another rule and choose AND to select only the features which meet the filters we have applied. In this case, education building parts with maximum relative height greater than 15 meters. We can apply further filters to the same feature type by adding another rule that's not a part of the group. This time we've added an OR rule, so our filter will select any building parts described as either education over 15 meters or rail transport. Once you've applied the filter and created your recipe, you can check which filters have been applied by clicking on the recipe name in your recipe library and selecting View All Filters. Temporal filtering allows you to see how data in the OS National Geographic database looked in the past. It's applied when you're creating a data package from your recipe. Click Add a Data Package and you'll find temporal options in the Update section of the sidebar. By checking this box, you can receive a one-off snapshot of the data from a selected past date, back to the point the feature type was launched in the NGD. For more details on filtering, visit the OS Select and Build support pages.